Let me introduce myself. My name is Muti Elfisha, and right now I'm going to talk about English in Australia. So, in this presentation, I'll explain how English came to Australia, how it developed, and how it is used in education, politics, and economy. I'll also talk about its special features and why it's important for Australian identity. Next slide. Welcome to country profile. Australia is a big country and continent in Oceania, just south of Indonesia. It has around 26 million people and the main language is English, but because the country is multicultural, many people also speak other languages such as Mandarin, Arabic, Vietnam, and indigenous language. Australia is known for its friendly people, its mix of cultures, and its strong indigenous heritage that is still respected today. Next slide. Now let's move to historical background. English first came to Australia in 1788 when the British first split a reef and started a colony in New South Wales. The fleet brought soldiers, settlers, and convicts from different parts of Britain. They spoke many different English dialects, which later mixed together and created the base of Australian English. Before the British came, there were hundreds of indigenous languages spoken across the land. Many of them slowly disappeared, but some Aboriginal words stayed and became part of Australian English, like kangaroo, boomerang, and koala. During the 80s and 90s, English spread through school, government, and business. After World War II, many immigrants from Europe and Asia came to Australia, and this made Australian English more diverse and modern. Next slide. Next is Australia Circle. According to the linguistic broadcasture, Australia belongs to the inner circle of English-speaking countries. This means English is the native language of most people and is used in all parts of life. In school, the government, media, and daily communication. As a country in the inner circle, Australia also helps set the standard for how English is spoken and written in the other parts of the world. Next slide. Next is English in education. In Australia, English is the main language used in education. All subjects are taught in English from primary school until university. Students learn Standard Australian English or CAE. This is the formal version of English that's used in school, exam, and official writing. It comes from British English but has its own pronunciation and vocabulary. For example, Australians use British spelling like colour and favorite, but they also have local words like brekkie for breakfast and arvo for afternoon. English is also very important for international exam and TOEFL, which are used for studying or working abroad. Next slide. Next is political reason. Politically, English is used in every part of government, law, and diplomacy. It helps people from different backgrounds communicate clearly and keeps the country united. English also connects Australia with other countries, especially those in the Commonwealth like the UK and New Zealand. Using English makes it easier for Australia to take part in global discussion and maintain good relationship within other nations. Next slide. Next is economic reason. English is very important for Australia's economy. It's used in trade, business, technology, education, and tourism. Knowing English gives people a better chance to get jobs, especially in international companies. Australia also earns a lot from education because many foreign students come to study in English-speaking universities. In tourism, English helps visitor communication easily. Overall, English helps Australia stay strong in the global economy. Next slide. Next is linguistic features. Australian English has its own special style. First, it has a non-rhotic accent, meaning the R sound at the end of words is usually not pronounced. The accent also sounds a bit flat, and vowels are pronounced differently. For example, the word "mate" sounds like "might." Second, Australians like to use slang and certain words like "brekkie" for breakfast, "barbie" for barbecue, and "arvo" for afternoon. Third, Australia English includes words from Aboriginal language like kangaroo, boomerang, and koala. These features make Australian English sound friendly, relaxed, and different from other English accents. Next slide. Now is reflection. So, in conclusion, Australian English is more than just a language. It shows Australia's history, culture, and identity. It developed from British English but changed to fit local life and culture. As an inner circle variety, it influenced other English users around the world. Australian English represents the nation's diversity, friendliness, and creativity. Next slide. So this is the last slide of my presentation, which is reference. These are the sources I use for my presentation. I took information from tourist places such as the Australian curriculum website, Cambridge University Press, and much more. And that's all for my presentation about English in Australian. From its history to its modern use, we can see that English is not just a language but a part of Australians' identity and culture. I hope you learn something new and enjoy listening. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye.